So in the previous lecture we have seen that how you can assign all the issues to a particular person if they are left unassigned. In this lecture we will be talking that how you can make groups or components in your project so that you can individually assign an issue. So let's say create this story. So you will find this a component which is none, because we have not assigned or made any components. So if we make any components, we can handle which would be the assignee. For example, let's go to the project, and let me go to my current project, and here you will find components. So let me say my first component name is home screen, and all the issues related to home screen will be checked by developer, okay, because he is the component lead of same, and add it. Another, let's say all the payment issues would be taken care by Vaibhav because he is the project lead, right? So let us create an issue now. Let's make a story here, and you will see now a component section have a drop down. What type of issue it is? It is of home screen, okay. Home screen issue. Left this field as automatic, don't assign it and just create it. So you will see that it is assigned to developer because it was an home issue. If I now create another story and I mark it as payment issue, and let's see to and leave the assignee as default one, and now create it. So you can see that this issue would be created to Vaibhav Gupta because its component is payments. And similarly, the reason is because we have defined here, if we go under the components, you can see here that all the issues which have components as home screen will be defaultly assigned to developer, while on the other hand all the issues have component payment screens will be assigned to Vaibhav Gupta. So this is how you can make various components and you can assign the issues.